Hello and welcome to Healthful and our very first social media post. I couldn't be happier that this post is actually devoted to my absolute favorite season of the year, which is the autumn season, harvest season, pumpkin season, orange season, you name it. I love the pumpkins. You can use them in all sorts of dishes, in sweet treats like pies and cakes. You can use them in savory dishes, in risottos, in stews, and of course in pumpkin soups. The approach I take in my family nutrition is to take what I know my kids already accept and turn it into nutritious meals by additions or by simple swaps. Today, I will be taking my family's absolute favorite carrot cake recipe and turning it into pumpkin carrot cake recipe, as simple as it is. The hero ingredient of this recipe is pumpkin. It is my favorite pumpkin. It's called Delicious Pumpkin. I've exchanged half of the carrots to the pumpkin, so we have beautiful orange colors. Let's start with our ingredients. I've chosen a whole grain flour just to make sure we have a little bit more fiber because it has the outer layer of the grain and the kernel of the grain where the key nutrients are. We have lovely spices here, cinnamon, nutmeg. We have here flax seeds already milled. Also a source of fiber, but also protein, as well, fantastic source for omega-3 fatty acids. Let's put the oil and the eggs. I'm having here a honey, and that will be the key source of sugar for this recipe. Our bodies actually don't differentiate between the source of sugar that we put into our meals. Sugar is sugar for our bodies. The response is exactly the same. However, by swapping the sugar to honey, we also make sure that we absorb the nutrients available in honey and the vitamins as well. On top of that, there will be also sweetening the cake. We have dates. They are great for fiber, great source of magnesium and also iron. So let me quickly mix the dry ingredients together. Our flax seeds and baking powder, bicarbonate of soda. Mix it ever so slightly. And let's add it all together. That's lovely. I love how nutritionally dense pumpkins are. These are very versatile fruits, technically speaking fruits, not vegetables. Both of them have lovely beta carotene, which our bodies can turn into vitamin A. They have also lots of vitamin C, great for immunization. They are also packed with fiber. Fiber is really great for digestion. It helps to slow down absorption after the meal, so it actually helps to regulate the blood sugar response after you have eaten, which is perfect for especially sweet treats. I will spread it out nicely. Let's get started on the lovely frosting. I have here cream cheese and mascarpone. Both have the sweetness. We're gonna add some of the vanilla extract and now we're just gonna mix this together and that's it. Okay, let's see. Should be nice and ready. Looking good. Has grown nicely. Let's transfer to a grit. Make sure it's completely cold before you put on the frosting. Let's start putting it on. I actually like it when it just looks a little bit messier. I can already smell the test. It looks very spongy and soft and absolutely yummy. Let's dig in. Big bite. Amazing.